Bharatnaryadvance.com.
Next is question number 7. It's an important question, very, very important question, because it have asked so many times for the board exam. It's a good question. Note it as important and study very well. The question is, question number 7. Question number 7 from exercise 6.5. The question is, prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. Once again, the question is, to prove that the sum of the squares of the sides of a rhombus is equal to the sum of the squares of its diagonals. This is the question. So, we have to draw a rhombus. So, remember the properties of a rhombus. The diagonals are perpendicular bisectors each other. The diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to each other. All the sides of a rhombus are equal. All the 4 sides of the rhombus are equal, and the diagonals are perpendicular bisectors to each other. These are the properties to be remembered for a rhombus. Let ABCD be the rhombus. A, B, C, D the rhombus, and AC and BD are the 2 diagonals. AC and BD are the 2 diagonals. They are intersecting at the point O. The point of intersection of the 2 diagonals be O. Now, we have to prove that AB square plus BC square plus ED square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. Give the explanation of the figure. Let ABCD be a rhombus. Let ABCD be a rhombus. The diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. The diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point O. We have to prove that AB square plus BC square plus CD square plus AD square is equal to AC square plus BD square. This is the thing which we have to prove. For that, remember the property. Since the 2 diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors, since the 2 diagonals of a rhombus are perpendicular bisectors. Angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. This angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Angle AOD is equal to 90 degree. Angle BOC is equal to 90 degree. And angle COD is also equal to 90 degree. Again, AO is equal to ZO. Also, AO is equal to ZO and BO is equal to DO. These are the things which we have to remember on doing this problem. Now, we are taking the right triangle AOB. Consider the right triangle AOB. Consider a right triangle AOB. We are considering the right triangle AOB. This is the right triangle AOB. Here, angle AOB is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, AB is the hypotenuse. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, applying Pythagoras theorem, AB square is equal to AO square plus BO square, or BO square plus AO square. BO square plus AO square. since O is the midpoint of BD, since O is the midpoint of BD and AC. O is the midpoint of BD as well as O is the midpoint of AC also. BO is equal to half of BD. BO is equal to BD by 2 and AO is equal to AC by 2. Therefore, this relation becomes AB square is equal to BO square means BD by 2 the whole square. BO is equal to BD by 2 the whole square plus AO is equal to AC by 2. AC by 2 the whole square. That means AB square is equal to BD square by 4 plus AC square by 4. Taking the LCM and cross multiplying, we are getting 4AB square is equal to, that is 4AB square is equal to BD square plus AC square. In the rhombus ABCD, we have AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Here, in a rhombus ABCD, AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Therefore, this 4AB square, we can write it as AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square. That is AB square plus AB square plus AB square plus AB square. 4AB square is equal to BD square plus AC square. BD square plus AC square. First AB square, we are writing first AB square as it is. That is AB square plus, instead of the second AB square, we can write BC square. And instead of the third AB square, we can write CD square. And instead of the fourth AB square, we can write AD square. Is equal to, write the RHS as it is, BD square plus AC square. BD square plus AC square. That means sum of the squares of the four sides. That is sum of the squares of the four sides. Sum of the squares of the four sides is equal to the sum of the squares of the diagonals. Sum of the squares of the diagonals. Hence proved.